Well, it looks like the ball is about 3/4 of the way full. I'm going to open that valve and see if I get some bubbles. If I don't, then I'm going to put this trash can on top of that ball. And if I still don't get anything, then I'm going to put some weights in the trash can, put some pressure on the gas. We'll see if that produces. And then if it does, I'm going to fill up the 2-liter bottle. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going to open the valve. And I'm not getting any bubbles, which is just really strange to me. So I'm going to put this trash can in here. There you go. At least initially when I set it on top of it, I got a bunch of bubbles. But they're not sticking around very long. That's kind of disappointing. Let's see if these ones that are still here are... Well, that didn't work out too well. I've been lighting these bubbles for a long time with the hose in the water, but I must have had the head hose too close to the surface. And it backfired through the into the exercise ball. And as you can see, the flashback arrestor worked, because everything from there on back to the cell is fine, which is good. And I guess that's the last time I do that. Last time I light the gas without a back flash arrestor right where I'm lighting it. I can't hear out of my right ear right now. Left ear seems to be fine. So, and the other thing that was good, is that the blue barrel protected me from the explosion. It went straight up in the air. I was right here next to it, so that was very fortunate also. So all my efforts to repair the exercise ball are for naught now. Of course, what I wanted was a big explosion in a barrel, and that's what I got. It's just not a very good video of it. Alrighty then. Well, good news. My hearing is coming back in my right ear, so it was just a temporary shock to the eardrum, but I can hear, and that was my main concern. So, don't do this at home. And if you do, make sure you have all the safety equipment with you, which in my case would have been a hearing protection and also flashback arrestor right where I'm lighting the gas. So there's no way it could back flash into the reservoir of gas. So live and learn. And you live and learn from me. So until we meet again, adieu.